Hi, my name is Kathleen and I'm a rising senior at Castellea. So after I completed my robot, it was time to add modifications. First, I added remote control and then voice control. So for the remote, there's forward, backward, it still won't fall off, turn left, turn right, and then start autonomous. So basically, this will let it drive around like before and prevent it from falling off, and then stop autonomous. So when I was making the remote, the first thing I had to do was configure the XBs. There's one on each, the robot and the controller, and basically these things communicate wirelessly and allow the remote to send commands to the robot. After doing that, I made a circuit with some push buttons, and basically one side is connected to power, the other side to ground through a resistor. When the button is pushed, the two sides connect, current can flow, and the button will give a reading of high. So I have my Arduino constantly checking if any of the buttons are giving a reading of high. If they are, then the XB will send a command to the robot, depending on which button to go forward, backward, left, right, etc. So once I finished the remote, I added voice control. The voice recognition software is actually on my laptop, and it has all the same commands as the remote. So, for example, backward. Here we go. Sorry, sometimes it takes a second, but it'll go backward. It still won't allow it to fall off the table. The sensor's in the back, so it'll go backward until it sees the back of the table, and we'll keep it on. Yep, goes backward for a while. Okay, so the way it works is I created an application on my laptop using Automator, and all the application does is when it's run, it sends a command through the serial port on my laptop to the Arduino saying like a certain direction, forward, backward, left, right, all of that. Then, just as if a button was pushed, the XB sends that command to the robot. After the applications were all made for the different directions, I went to dictation, or accessibility, and then the dictation function within accessibility. And that allowed me to say, when a word is said, run an application. So when backward is said, run the application that sends the backward command to my Arduino. And after that, I had voice control implemented and completed my robot. Thank you.